Hello everyone, here's a challenge for you. What is the simplest audio oscillator that you can think of? Is it something transistor based? Is it a multi-vibrator like this one? Is it a phase shift oscillator? Is it vacuum tube based? Is it a relaxation oscillator? I don't know. Even a self-resonant piezo needs an active element in order to oscillate, which is usually a transistor. So in today's video I want to show you a little trick that a ham radio operator showed me, which is probably the simplest audio oscillator on the internet. Here it is. So to build this, I took apart a landline phone and I removed the speaker and the microphone from its receiver. And all I did was to connect the speaker and the microphone in series and connect them to a battery. And weirdly enough, this forms an oscillator. So the trick to get these to oscillate is to use the components out of an old telephone, so you cannot use a microphone or a speaker at random, and you have to get them in close proximity. And when you get them close enough, they start to oscillate and the current through them drops significantly. So as you can see, at resonance, the current through the circuit is around 10 times lower than when it doesn't oscillate. I heard about this circuit from a very experienced ham radio operator who used it to practice Morse code without transmitting. And in case you are wondering, here's what the waveform looks like on the oscilloscope. It's far from being a sine wave, it oscillates at about 2.2 kHz, and you can actually change the waveform by slightly adjusting the distance between the speaker and the microphone. So here's the schematic for it, but now to be honest, this is pretty much all I know about this circuit. And to me, it's still a mystery why this oscillates. And that's because, as far as I know, any oscillator needs to have some sort of gain. And that gain needs to compensate for the losses that are present in the tank circuit or in the resonant cavity. And here we definitely have some coupling between the speaker and the microphone, and that explains part of the oscillating. However, I have no idea where the gain comes from. And also, I have no idea what sets the frequency here. So is it resonating because the diaphragms are resonating, or is it resonating as a whole system one way or another? I don't know. All I can say is that you don't have to believe me, you can just build it yourself, test it, have fun with it, and maybe also make a video about it with your takes about why it oscillates and what sets the frequency. Anyway, that's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in more content related to electronics and programming, please subscribe to this channel because there is more content like this on the way. Bye.